Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Monday 20th July 2020 and before starting today's lesson, let's recap what was the diary given to you on Friday. On Friday I gave you to highlight pronouns in the sentences. You were asked to identify pronouns on workbook page number 15A2. Alright, so let's see if you have done that correctly. Put a line under all pronouns. He is a friend of the captain. His name is Jafar. He and his brother live in Multan. They are going to buy a car. Their father will give them some money. Alright, what is a pronoun? Pronoun is the word that replaces a noun. So, he is the pronoun, his, he, his, they, their, them. These are the pronouns in the sentences and I'm sure आप सब ने इसको correctly highlight or identify किया होगा. Now let's move towards today's topic. Today we are going to practice further with the pronouns. आज हम pronouns को दोबारा से practice करेंगे and we will learn how to choose the appropriate pronouns. As you know that some of the pronouns are singular and some are plural. For example, he, she. He is used for the boys, she is used for the girls. They is a plural pronoun and them, we, us, these are the plural, and he, she, my, right? These are the singular pronouns. So let's read the statements, then we will replace the nouns with their suitable pronouns. First of all, we will read the sentences. सबसे पहले हम sentences को read करेंगे and we will mark the nouns. हम पहले nouns को mark करेंगे, then हम उनके suitable pronouns write करेंगे. Write these sentences again. Use pronouns in the place of names. So names को replace करना है, so सबसे पहले हम identify कर लेते हैं names क्या हैं. You see, I have highlighted the names here. Huma, Humas, John and David, John and David. Let's read the statements. Huma gave Huma's brother a present. Huma is a girl, and which pronoun we use for the girls? He or she? That's correct, she. She gave her brother a present. John and David. John and David are two persons, so it means that they is the suitable pronoun for John and David because they make a plural, so they played with their toys, right? Let's turn the page. On page number 16, Salim spoke to Salim's father. Salim is a boy or he's a girl? Yes, absolutely. Salim is a boy. He spoke to his father. The dog ate the dog's food. The dog likes biscuits. Dog, which is the suitable pronoun for dog? It. That's correct. It ate its food. It likes biscuits. Salim lost Salim's cricket ball. Salim bought a new one. He lost his cricket ball. He bought a new one. As you see that, first of all, I have highlighted the names in the given statements. हमने given statements में names को highlight किया. Then we replace the names with pronouns. और जब हमने pronouns write किया, so I have used green highlighter to underline the pronouns. You can use any of the highlighters or coloring pencils what are you're having at home. I just do that for the sake to make it look prominent ताकि आपको clearly और visibly पता चले कि कौन सा pronoun यहाँ पे use हुआ है. Alright, that's how you will practice writing the pronouns in the place of names. Alright, so now let's move towards today's topic. Alright, today we are going to learn about contractions. That what are the contractions? Contractions are actually the abbreviated forms of some of the helping verbs. Alright, you see that? Here, these are the full forms. You are, and you are is abbreviated as your. Contractions means the short form. What does the word contraction mean? Contraction means the short form. आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ये full form है, you are. But यहाँ पे by using the apostrophe, ये आप देख रहे हैं, this is the apostrophe. This punctuation is called apostrophe. In contractions we use apostrophe and we omit one letter. यहाँ से क्या चीज़ missing है? Y है, O, U, A. Alright, A is missing, so when one letter is omitted, in place of that letter we put apostrophe. You are is contracted by using apostrophe your. I am, this is the full form. I am, यहाँ पे helping verbs हैं और helping verbs को यहाँ पे हमने contract किया हुआ है. I am, what is missing here? क्या चीज़ है जिसको हमने omit किया यहाँ पे? A, absolutely. And in place of A we put, instead of A, apostrophe. I'm. I am, I'm. Both mean the same. Full form and contraction जो है, contraction दोनों का meaning same है. They both have same meanings. Only इनकी जो इनकी written description है उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा difference है कि यहाँ पे हम एक punctuation use करते हैं apostrophe, और contraction जो है these are identified by the use of this punctuation that is called apostrophe. He is, he's. यहाँ पे क्या missing है? What we have excluded here? I. Absolutely. I is omitted here, and he is goes, he's. He is the full form, and what is the contraction of he is? He's. Alright? So there are different contractions. Let me show you this one flashcard. यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हैं. I'm, these are the contractions, and I am. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपको कैसे पता चलेगा which is the full and which is the contracted form? Alright, these are the full forms, क्योंकि यहाँ पे helping verbs जो हैं complete लिखे हुए हैं, full form में लिखे हुए हैं, और यहाँ पे using apostrophe contractions दी हुई हैं. Alright, these are the contractions and these are the full forms. Both mean almost the same. Alright, so that's how you write down the contractions. Let me show you this one chart. These are the contractions, and you know that there are a lot of contractions you see here. अब आप इसमें से मुझे बता सकते हैं, can you identify that which is the full form and which is contracted? Absolutely. जहाँ पे apostrophe use हुई है, this is the contracted. ये जो orange highlight हुई हुई है, and I am, it is highlighted in green. This is the full form. Cannot, can't, are not, aren't. आप ये देख सकते हैं जहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, नॉट यूज हुआ है, वहाँ पे एन टी आएगा, और यहाँ पे क्या मिसिंग है? ओ. राइट? ही इज, हीज. आई हैड, आईड. हैव नॉट, हैवंट. ही वुड, ही वुडंट. आई विल, आइल. शी विल, शील. डू नॉट, डोंट. ही हैज, हीज. Alright, so these are different contractions and their full forms. Alright, now I would like you to open up your workbook page number 18. Alright children, let's read these. Write these in full forms. The first one is done for you. First of all, आप ये देखें कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास ये जो कॉलम है, यहाँ पे हमें कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस दी हुई हैं और यहाँ पे फुल फॉर्म दी हुई है. सो प्लीज़ इसके नीचे आप यहाँ पे, लेट मी शो यू क्लोजली, यहाँ पे इस तरह से कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस राइट कर लें. कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस मीन्स शॉर्ट फॉर्म. ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म है एंड वी आर आस्क्ड टू राइट डाउन द फुल फॉर्म. यहाँ पे हम इसकी फुल फॉर्म राइट कर रहे हैं. एंड एज यू सी दैट यहाँ पे मैंने ये पंक्चुएशन जो है, कौन सा पंक्चुएशन है ये? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में कौन सा पंक्चुएशन यूज़ होता है? विच पंक्चुएशन इज़ यूज टू फॉर्म द कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस? Yes, absolutely. This is called apostrophe. This is not comma. Alright? Comma जो है वो थोड़ा नीचे यूज़ होता है, राइट? लाइन के बिल्कुल साथ. बट apostrophe जो है ये थोड़ा अपवर्ड्स होती है, थोड़ा अप साइड पे होती है. I'm, I am. It's, it is. I've, I have. We've, we have. I'll, I will. You'll, you will. Won't, will not. Want is the contraction of will not. Want, will not. It will. Don't, do not. Alright, so that's how you will form the full form of the given contractions, and from J to O is to be done as homework. Alright, so from J to O will be completed as homework, and this is your today's diary. Let me show you the diary for today. Do workbook page number 18 B4 J to O as homework. Alright, from J to O will be completed as homework, as today's homework. Let me read the contractions to you. There, they are. Then we have can't, cannot. Can't means it's negative, right? Can't, cannot. Isn't, is not. Couldn't, could not. NT शो करता है कि यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है और नॉट का यूज़ होगा. मस्ट नॉट, मस्टंट, मस्टंट, मस्ट नॉट. शुडंट, शुड नॉट. So that's how you will complete the full form, और with the help of these contractions आप इनके full form यहाँ पे write करेंगे. That's how you will complete your homework. Alright, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.